Dear children, today we shall be doing Friendship Part 2. True story of a rare friendship in London. Rare मतलब जो बहुत कम दिखाई पड़ती है. You will be surprised to see how these two people were so close. One is very much genius. He knows everything about mathematics and he wants the other person to learn basics of mathematics. But he dare not say this thing to him क्योंकि उनका नॉलेज इतना गंभीर था कि उन्हें डर लग रहा था कि वो कैसे उन्हें ये समझाएं कि यू डोंट नो सिंपल मैथमेटिक्स. यू आर अ ग्रेट मैथमेटिशियन बट यू डोंट नो सिंपल मैथमेटिक्स. अब यही चीज़ उस दोस्ती का आधार बनी थी. द तमिलन फाइंड्स अ ट्रू मेंटर. मेंटर कहते हैं संरक्षक को. कैसे ये दोनों आपस में दोस्ती निभा रहे हैं. In December 1903, at the age of 16, Ramanujan passed the matriculation exam from the University of Madras. He was so passionate about mathematics that he failed in all other subjects. वो सारा दिन मैथ्स करते रहते थे, बाकी विषयों के बारे में उन्होंने ध्यान नहीं दिया और वो फेल हो गए. फेल होने का ये परिणाम हुआ कि उनके पास कोई फॉर्मल डिग्री नहीं बन पाई. After years of struggle, he joined as a government clerk. During this time, he heard of a famous mathematician, G.H. Hardy, in Cambridge, England. He started writing letters to him. Seeing his ability, Hardy was, as history records, flabbergasted. Flabbergasted मतलब shocked, हैरान, बहुत ज़्यादा ताज्जुब उन्होंने किया. एक मामूली क्लर्क है जो एक किसी सरकारी कंपनी में, सरकारी दफ्तर में बैठा हुआ है, कैसे इतने बड़े बड़े सवालों को सुलझा सकता है. How could a clerk in Tamil Nadu come up with these remarkable results? He arranged for Ramanujan to come to Cambridge to work with him. This began an extraordinary friendship that yielded some of the most elegant work ever produced in the history of mathematics. दोनों की इतनी घनिष्ठ मित्रता हुई कि एक उदाहरण बनकर रह गई. In England, Ramanujan used to frequently fall ill. He was a very sick man. बहुत सिकली थे, जरा जरा सी चीज़ पर बीमार पड़ते थे और इसीलिए उसी बीमारी का परिणाम ये हुआ कि he died at a very young age of 39 years. Once Hardy recollected a story about visiting Ramanujan during his illness. अब इस एक मामूली से क्लर्क की महानता बता रहे हैं. I remember once going to see him when he was lying ill at Putney. I had ridden in a taxi cab number 1729. On reaching, I had remarked that the number seemed to me rather a dull one. Mathematicians हैं, दोनों जन केवल गणित जानते हैं, संख्याओं की ही बातें करते हैं. उन्होंने कहा कि भाई मैं जिस टैक्सी में आया हूँ मुझे उसका नंबर बड़ा ही डल लगा, बड़ा अजीब लगा. I hoped it was not an unfavorable omen. कोई ऐसा ना हो कि बहुत ही अशुभ का नंबर साबित हो. No, he replied. उन्होंने जवाब दिया नहीं, कोई अशुभ नहीं. ये तो उन्हें लगा कि ये तो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग नंबर है. कैसे? It's a very interesting number. It is the smallest number expressionable as the sum of two cubes in two different ways. Hardy took a lot of care to mentor him gently because he never wanted him to hurt. किसी तरीके से भी उनको चोट नहीं पहुंचनी चाहिए, पर समझाना तो पड़ेगा कि फॉर ऑल दीज बिग थिंग्स ही हैज़ टू लर्न स्मॉल मैथमेटिक्स ऑल्सो. एज एट टाइम्स हिज मेन वरी वॉज हाउ टू टीच दिस एस्टाउंडिंग जीनियस. एस्टाउंडिंग, आश्चर्यजनक जिसके अंदर प्रतिभा थी. बेसिक मैथमेटिक्स विदाउट डिस्ट्रॉइंग हिज fearless अप्रोच टू सॉल्विंग प्रॉब्लम. वो fearlessly सारी प्रॉब्लम्स को हैंडल करते थे. समझते नहीं थे रामानुजन कि इसमें इतनी बड़ी बात क्या है जो ये कह रहे हैं. उनके लिए मैथ्स की प्रॉब्लम्स बड़ी नहीं थी. तो इट वॉज अ वेरी स्ट्रेंज कॉम्बिनेशन. नाउ अनदर स्टोरी. इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल स्टोरी, ब्यूटिफुल सेइंग्स. ट्रू फ्रेंड्स विल रिमेन फॉर एवर. दोस्ती ऐसी है. एक जगह मैंने पढ़ा था, Friendship goes beyond just sharing time together. It's long lasting. दोस्ती केवल एक साथ रहना नहीं है बल्कि उसे दूर तक निभाना है. Two friends were walking through the desert. During the journey they had an argument and one friend talked rudely to the other. दोनों में झगड़ा हो गया जो प्रायः होता था दोस्तों में बातें करते करते. अब एक ने दूसरे का अपमान कर दिया. The friend who got hurt without saying anything wrote it in the sand. उसने उससे कुछ नहीं कहा मित्र से, बैठकर बालू के ऊपर एक वाक्य लिखा, टुडे माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड हर्ट मी, आज मेरे सबसे पक्के दोस्त ने मुझे चोट पहुंचाई है. रीचिंग एन oasis, प्लेस वेयर नेचुरल वाटर इज अवेलेबल इन डेजर्ट, बहुत मुश्किल से मिलता है लेकिन oasis होते हैं. They jumped into the cool waters. The one who was hurt slipped. जिसको चोट पहुंची थी, जो अपमानित हुआ था, दुखी था, वो उस पानी में फिसल गया. And started drowning, डूबने लगा. His friend saved him. He wrote on a stone, Today my best friend saved my life. बाहर आया तो उसने एक पत्थर पर गाड़ कर लिख दिया, Today my best friend saved my life. आज मेरे सबसे अच्छे मित्र ने मेरा जीवन बचाया. Surprised, the other friend asked, You wrote one on sand and the other on stone? ये तुमने क्या किया? एक वाक्य तुमने लिखा सैंड पर और दूसरा तुमने लिखा स्टोन पर, ऐसा क्यों? The friend replied, When someone hurts us, we should write it on sand so that winds of forgiveness can erase it away. Beautiful sentence. Winds of forgiveness can erase it away. क्षमा की हवाएं उस बालू को उड़ा कर ले जाएंगी और उस दुख को, दर्द को, उस गलत भावना को हमेशा के लिए मिटा देंगी. बट वेन समवन डज गुड फॉर अस, वी मस्ट एनग्रेव इट ऑन स्टोन. एनग्रेव मतलब गाड़ देना, उसके ऊपर खोद कर लिख देना. अगर कोई हमारे लिए कोई अच्छा काम करे तो हमें उसकी प्रशंसा में उसे पत्थर के ऊपर लिख देना चाहिए. वेयर नो विंड कैन एवर इरेज इट, जिसे कोई भी चीज़ मिटा नहीं सकेगी. सी वेन एवर यू आर फ्रेंड्स विद समबडी, वेन एवर यू आर फ्रेंडली, ट्राई टू फॉरगेट अबाउट स्मॉल थिंग्स. It sometimes happens that unknowingly, unconsciously, we talk rudely to each other. Avoid such situations. Then only we can have very calm and quiet friendship. Otherwise, these things will go on happening, and out of anger, we might lose a good friend. अब इसमें आप देख रहे हैं, he never wanted to lose his friend, so he behaved like this. Now, in timelines, you will be reading about very, very famous pairs of friends. बहुत फेमस हैं. हमारे यहाँ भी आपने सुना है, बीरबल और अकबर घनिष्ठ मित्र थे, राम और लक्ष्मण थे, उसके अलावा चाणक्य चंद्रगुप्त थे. दे आर फेमस एंड द बेस्ट पेयर वाज कृष्ण एंड सुदामा. कहाँ राजा कृष्ण, कहाँ धन संपत्ति से भरे हुए कृष्ण, और कहाँ वो दो मुट्ठी चावल खाने वाला दो सुदामा. बट दे वर वेरी क्लोज फ्रेंड्स. कृष्ण नेवर थॉट अबाउट हिज स्टेटस इन द सोसाइटी. हाउ रिच इज ही, उसके पास क्या है क्या नहीं है, ही नेवर बॉदर्ड. फ्रेंडशिप नेवर काउंट्स ऑन दीज थिंग्स. नाउ द फर्स्ट इज ऑक्टेवियन एंड अग्रिप्पा. दे आर फ्रॉम ग्रीस से हैं ये लोग दोनों. बोथ ऑफ देम, जो अग्रिप्पा हैं, he became the king afterwards, and his friend was his best friend, was his soldier and his mentor. He was looking after him, he was supporting him everywhere, and he helped him to build Rome with stones. Today what type of buildings you see in Rome are made by these. This is their effort that they could create this type of architecture there. Then the second is Elizabeth I and Mary Dudley. Elizabeth was the queen and Mary Dudley was her friend. She was not only friend, she was lady in waiting. जो उनकी सबसे close friend थी, वो थी. And then she looked after her when Elizabeth had smallpox. See, she worked so hard with her. उन्होंने इतनी उनकी सेवा की that the queen became all right. She became healthy. But Mary fell sick and she had to suffer a lot. Then drafted together the Declaration of Independence. Though they argued a lot, they wrote over 380 letters to each other. Now they are talking about these two gentlemen, John Adams and Thomas Jefferson. Jefferson was the president of America, and they both decided to fight against slavery, to forge a new political system in the former British colonies. Previously, British colonies were having authorities over them. They fought for it. They both believed in democracy and life, liberty and pursuit of happiness. But their opinion different in different ways. How they should attain it, they differ. But still, they remained very good friends throughout their lives. Then next is Mark Twain and Helen Keller. Both of them were very good writers, they were very friendly, and they were complimenting each other on each and every book they were writing. Then Andrews was a Christian missionary and educator. He became a close friend of Gandhiji and persuaded him to return to India from South Africa. He was the one who told Gandhiji to fight for freedom. He told him to come back to India from South Africa and take charge of this fight against British. Then Edison contributed technology to Ford's automobile business and was active in his business until his death. They were both very big inventors and best friends. They met at a convention and became very close friends. Edison advised Ford for many good cars. When Edison's laboratory and factory got burned, Ford gave him money to rebuild these things. So they were very much close friends. They were always helping each other. In Ghatnao say, try to learn from these incidents. Please try to read it out. Try to get it from other books and read in detail how they were living peacefully, how they were helping each other, what actually friendship meant to them. फ्रेंडशिप का मतलब उनके लिए क्या था? फ्रेंडशिप वॉज नॉट जस्ट going and sharing your food, going and sharing your things, or sharing happy times. Friendship is sharing your difficulties also, your problems also, because friendship always gives you a new life. A real friend in is one who would walk in when the real rest of the world walks out. बहुत सुंदर कोटेशन है. A real friend is one who walks in. वो तब हमारे जीवन में आता है when the rest of the world walks out, जब सारा संसार हमारा साथ छोड़ देता है. So think about friendship and try to follow these rules. You will be getting many more incidents like this where you can learn about friendship.